Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I had a special request from Diane for a mother-child Celtic knot pendant. I made a couple samples of the pendant in silver and gold. I'm using 20 gauge artistic wire and some 6mm miracle beads. I'm using the Beadalon Glimmer Series nipper tool, the round nose pliers, and the slimline chain nose pliers. We're going to take 10 inches of the 20 gauge artistic wire and add a 6mm miracle bead, and then we are going to surround the bead with the wire, so holding the bead firmly and pushing the wire in either direction, and we are going to surround that bead with the wire. So slowly going either direction with the wire, so the bead is completely surrounded on both sides. And then we want to curve one of the wires up to form the head of the child. So we're going to curve it up with our finger. The other one will curve down. Just use your thumb to curve it out. This wire is quite soft. And then using the template, I'm going to hold the piece against the template to get the size, and then with the chain nose pliers I'm going to hold the wire and curve it down, so that forms the head of the child. Make a nice sharp bend with the chain nose pliers and bring the wire around. You can use the round nose pliers if you need to help that curve. Just go in with those round nose pliers, and then we need both of the wires curving down. So curve it around the bead and adjust it with your fingers. So once you have it curved out, we're going to hold it against the template, measure it, and then with the chain nose pliers we're going to hold the wire and push it up so it makes a nice sharp bend, and curve it out with your thumb. So the wire comes back up towards the top, and we will do the same on the other side. Measure it on the template, hold it with your thumb in place where you want to bend it, and then we'll get the chain nose pliers again, hold the wire and push and curve it out. It's nice to have the template because you can get the proportions more accurately. So curve those wires out and up towards the top. Do any little adjustments that you need to make it symmetrical. This is one design where it is nice that it is symmetrical. So now we're going to put it back on the template so we get the measurements right. Hold it down with your finger, curve it around, use that thumb to curve the wire, measure it, hold it firmly, and curve it up for the head of the mother. So once it follows that template, we want to lift it up and bend it at the tip of your thumb. Bend the wire straight up. I've cut my wire a little long, but always better too long than too short. So curve the wire around the other way to complete the other side. Hold it down firmly on a hard surface on your table and curve it around to form the other half of the head. So from there, we are going to hold it very, very firmly so we can do that bend. You can always help it out with your pliers first. Just hold it between your thumb and finger and wind that end around. And then we're going to clip the end with our flush cutters or the nipper tool. Pinch in that little pokey end. Push the wire out and get our round nose pliers to form the loop at the top. So bring the wire around, make sure it's centered, and get our chain nose pliers to hold it firmly and bring the wire around and finish it at the back. So now we will clip it with the flush cutters or the nipper tool, pinch in those little pokey ends, just press the coil and press the top so it's flat. Do any little last minute adjustments that you need. Make sure everything's centered and even. You can pinch it with your thumb and finger. And there you have your beautiful mother-child Celtic knot pendant. And you can make different colors and they can be pendants or earrings. You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.